Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to tag everyone on WhatsApp group. Method 1. Using @ symbol. Open the WhatsApp group by launching the application and navigating to the desired group. Then, compose your message within the group chat, typing out the content you want to share. Then type the @ symbol in the message box to prompt a list of group members. Scroll through the list or start typing everyone to find and select the option that says everyone. Once you've selected everyone, it will appear as a blue hyperlink in your message, indicating that all group members will receive a notification. Then, review your message and tap the send button to share it with the entire group. Note, it is recommended to use this method sparingly to avoid overwhelming group members with unnecessary notifications. Method 2. Utilizing the group info option. Tagging everyone in WhatsApp group using the group info option can be done as follows this video. Open the WhatsApp group and tap on the group name to access the group info. Scroll down and tap on the participants option to view the list of group members. Tap on the more option, depending on your device, located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the Tag All or Mention All option. This will automatically tag all the members in the group in your message. Method 3. Copying and pasting names. Method 4. Best practice for tagging everyone in WhatsApp groups. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.